Introducing the ICCE school bus, one of the most popular and highly rated school buses available. There are a ton of features that make IC such a preferred bus in the industry, all varying in sizes from a 35 passenger up to a 77 passenger bus. Let's start outside, where you'll see the front air crossing gate, the easy tilt hood, and a single pane flat windshield increasing driver visibility. This particular unit is built with storm windows in the front to prevent foggy windows during winter months. The rest of the windows on this bus are clear, but tinted glass is also available. It has a bright and highly visible electric stop arm with strobing LED lights. This bus also comes with a pre-trip inspection feature to test all the exterior lighting on the vehicle. IC is proud to offer the widest entrance door in the industry, measuring at 25 3/4 inches, available with either electric or air-operated controls. This specific school bus is built with the Wabco hydraulic brake system, with all buses having traction control and electronic stability control as a standard feature. It has a front axle capacity of 10,000 pounds and a rear axle capacity of 19,800 pounds. Looking at the engine, this bus is built with a Cummins B6.7 diesel engine, available up to 260 horsepower and 660 foot-pounds of reliable torque. It can also be built with a PSI 8.8 liter gasoline or propane engine, which gets you up to 265 horsepower and 545 foot-pounds of reliable torque at only 1800 RPM. Most buses come with either a 60-gallon or a 100-gallon fuel tank. All buses, regardless of fuel type, are built with an Allison Auto 6-speed transmission. They also include a 1000-watt block heater and an oil pan heater, which are essential for driving in Canada and the northern US. Heading inside the bus, every IC bus is standard with a post-trip inspection monitor system. 4 heaters are standard, with one for the driver and windshield, a step well heater, plus 2 in the body for its passengers. Heated driver seats are also popular for driver comfort. BTI seating with interchangeable seat backs are standard on IC buses. Seats can be set with the base seating arrangement, 3-point seat belts, or integrated child seats. You can also add UCRA anchors to any type of seat. This particular bus is built with a Braun wheelchair lift and slide, and it also comes with click tie-down wheelchair restraints by Q-Straint. Also available is an L-track system, which can allow for seats to occupy the area when not in use for a wheelchair, in order to maximize the available seating. These are just some of the key features that come with an ICCE school bus. For more information, visit maximinc.com.